Now this figure 18-73 deals with a single phase supply feeding a number uh, of converters, say two or more converters, two or more motors, and a load that's considered non-continuous. Now, we basically have on this feeder a three-phase motor, 5 horse, 230 volt, a three-phase motor, 7.5 horse, 230 volt, and a three-phase 10 horse motor at 230 volt, and the non-continuous load is 35 amps. Now we're going to be sizing the protective device uh, to take ahead of these phase converters with our two or more on a feeder, with two or more motors on a feeder, with other loads in this case. So this illustration shows these loads, and next we're going to look at some NEC help that may be helpful to you in addition to the information that you see here in this illustration.